Some people in my comment section and on Reddit have been reporting that they have found pairs of the Xiaomi Redmi AirDots that have Redmi embossed on the top, whereas the pair of AirDots that I have, we have Mi embossed on the top. So does that mean that someone's headphones are fake? Hey, my name is Mitchell. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about the tech I use. Shout out to my community over on Telegram for bringing this up to me, as well as shout out to all of you guys in the comment section that bring stories like this up to my attention. Without you, we wouldn't be here. Also, I want to thank everyone that uses my affiliate links. Without you guys, I couldn't keep this channel going. Enough talking, let's just hop into this. Now, I know I might look a little bit different. I'm trying a different recording setup today. Filming at a little higher resolution with just a different setup. Let me know what you guys think of it down below. Now, people have been bringing up that some of their Redmi AirDots say Mi on the lid, whereas other ones say Redmi. Does that mean some ones are fake? And my initial reaction to this is no, but this is something that kind of, as the premier YouTuber that talks about like Redmi AirDots and Xiaomi headphones, I feel like I had to talk about this. I think this is poor communication on behalf of Xiaomi. The reason I say that is because not all of the products that Xiaomi makes are for international distribution. They have been trying to do some different things in regards to bringing more presence for the Redmi brand in specific markets, such as India. And because they are trying to bring more awareness to specific brands, they are either holding certain phones or not releasing certain phones. They are releasing a Redmi Note 7 Pro in India and in China, whereas the rest of the world will probably get a Mi 9X as instead, which is going to be differently equipped. But this is just kind of Xiaomi's strategy to go ahead and enter into more markets and not necessarily come off as a cheap, fake Chinese brand, which is something that they do have to be careful about. Now, the specific model or the specific unit for the Xiaomi Redmi AirDots that I got was a Chinese model. Everything on it is in Chinese. The importer that I use here in Vietnam gets all of their product from China. It's not like an official like distributor for Xiaomi. They are officially a distributor for Xiaomi in China, but these products aren't in China. Everything on my unit is in Chinese. The front of it does have the Mi logo. So to people wondering about whether or not their copy is different, I would ask, does it have the Mi logo on top? Also, on the package, it just says the Redmi AirDots. It does not have Redmi specific packaging. And I think part of the reason why is because in China, in the Chinese market at least, it's kind of understood from consumers that Redmi is a product line of Xiaomi, because in China, Xiaomi makes everything from smart toilet seats to smart trash cans to air conditioners and a ton of other stuff. So people understand that Redmi is a Xiaomi subsidiary company, or that their product that they're getting is still made from Xiaomi. Whereas if you are in a different part of the world that doesn't have the same marketing strategy from Xiaomi, you could be looking at a package that does not look the same. Because, let's say, in a market like India, or maybe even Brazil, they're trying to launch Redmi as its own stand-apart brand, or they're trying to have more brand delineation between Redmi and Xiaomi. So if you guys have a fake pair of these, or if you think that they're fake, I would look for more than just different branding on the top. At least on the model that I have, there is a bevel cut into the front of the lid to make it easier to open, whereas on the original AirDots, there is no bevel. Keep that in mind. And so if yours say Mi on top, do you have a bevel? If yours say Redmi on top, do they have a bevel? My guess is that Xiaomi either has a mix-up in regards to the ODM, which is the original device manufacturer, which in this case, I'm guessing these are actually being manufactured by QCY, which does ODM stuff for Xiaomi. Xiaomi is also heavily invested in QCY. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's a mix-up on the manufacturing of them, or more likely than not, the units that people are getting are for different markets. So if you got one of these, if you think they're fake, let me know why you think your model is fake in the description down, or in the comment section down below. And if yours do not say me, if they say Redmi on them, what market are you in? What language is on the packaging? I'd love for my audience and my community to share what's going on in the comment section down below, so that other people that might be worried about their product being fake, or about their maybe getting a wrong device or something like that, can get some answers beyond this video. This is a newly developing story. Thanks to my community again for bringing this up. And as always, I have all of the Xiaomi headphone stuff before anyone else does on YouTube, or at least I try to. I do it for you guys. I have the review of the QCY T1Cs coming up this weekend for you guys. I'm really excited about that review. I'm also gonna have a massive like 5-way headphone comparison of all of the Bluetooth wireless headphones I have under the $50 price point. And I'm going to be having a giveaway for someone with that video. So go ahead, subscribe. Till next time, guys, it's been Mitchell coming to you from Hanoi, signing out.